It's my buddy Paul's birthday, 50th, this Friday. Let's make him a badass lamp with his favorite whiskey. You know the drill. Add your water. Diamond drill bit from Amazon. Find you a base. It's a cedar base. And drill it that way, that way. Run the wire through. Drill bit. I don't know what size that is. I don't even think it's for wood. Safety first. This is kind of slanted, the cut, so I'm gonna want it fix it that way. Yeah. One coat polyurethane. I never noticed I said one coat. I usually do 3 or 4. While I'm waiting for my cedar base to set up from the clear coat, I'm going to get my donor lamp right here that I got from the thrift store for like $3. I'm gonna use this right here. I'm gonna use this right here. I gotta get to it, so I'll do this right here. I'm gonna drill a hole in the lid so I can put this socket base through it to attach the bulb on top. Time to wire it up. Run the wires through the base, through the bottle. You know, the fun stuff, the boring stuff. My new tweezers are great for that. Pew.